LPE. LPE's go. RTD. RTD's go. Houston flight. Houston flight is go. Rock. Rock is go. And CDR. Crew is go. Copy that. Thank you, Reed. And Launch Director NTD, our launch team is ready to proceed at this time.
All right, NTD, I copy all. At this time, I'll perform my poll.
Clock is rolling.
Launch Director performing the final poll for launch, verifying no constraints, and go for launch. EGS, Program Chief Engineer.
Artemis Chief Engineers are go.
Copy, thank you. EGS, Chief Safety Officer.
Artemis CSOs are go.
Copy, thank you. Range Weather.
Launch weather is go.
Thank you, LWO. And Artemis MMT Chair.
MMT's go.
Or go.
Thank you, John. And Integrity Launch Director.
Good air your voice, Charlie. PLT.
Thank you, Charlie. This is Victor. We are going for our families.
MS1.
This is Christina. We are going for our teammates.
MS2. This is Jeremy. We are going for all humanity. All right, Charlie, our Artemis 2 crew is go for launch. Full send.
I copy that. Reed, Victor, Christina, and Jeremy. On this historic mission, you take with you the heart of this Artemis team, the daring spirit of the American people and our partners across the globe, and the hopes and dreams of a new generation. Good luck. Godspeed, Artemis 2. Let's go.
That's right.
And into the Launch Director.
Go ahead, Launch Director.
Yes, sir. You have a go to proceed with countdown.
Clock is rolling.
CDR NTD.
Go.
Your risers and initiate short purge per your EPROC 10.1.1, steps 8 and 9.
10.1.1, 8, 9, going to work.
Copy. CBSC NTD. Start and verify recordings of our Orion cameras. Copy.
Okay, well there you heard it.
RSR NTD. RSR.
They're getting ready to start terminal count.
AR rotation enable at this time, please.
It's currently at T-minus 10 minutes.
Okay.
Once we wrap up this last bit of work,
arm rotation enable complete.
we're going to start that clock.
Ooh, man. Woo! Ooh, man. Is there any pain anti-inflammatory meds I can take, Mom, or no?
You heard an issue, worked in real time with...
I'm having muscle spasms.
It was transitory. It was very short. They checked the data.
Halfway there.
They had a good lock. This was with the S-band transmitter on the...
I'm trying to record this and drink.
Worked through that issue, looked at the data, and cleared it. All with the world watching. Impressive work by the launch team. So we have a 2-hour window, which starts in just a few minutes at 6:24 p.m. Eastern Time and goes until 8:24 p.m. Eastern Time.
And ECL NTD will be waiting for your verification on the short purge. ECL copies. And for all personnel, once we get that short purge verification, we'll verify that we are...
NASA Test Director
What?
Jeff Spalding, who's
When's this supposed to land on the moon?
launch team, and Alex Vandellis, the GLS operator who closely monitors the
I think
software.
Hunter's a little slow still.
No, it's because I have
Ability
muscle
to stop
spasms.
and restart the countdown.
Hunter.
A lot of people ask about whether there's a launch
Price
button.
for us
There
stuff.
certainly is not.
Flight and rock. Our new T0 is 22.
I want to watch TS. My legs are like hella sore, bro.
From what I'm running yesterday,
My
or
track
what?
meet.
There you
Are
have
you sore?
confirmation of the
Yeah, I'm really
exact
sore.
T0,
That high jump kills you.
12 seconds PM Eastern Time.
Yeah, just go ahead and
Alright,
take it.
you need to throw it back.
Just-
You need to throw it back.
Eastern time.
No, put your water
Are you
here.
sure I can put it on wood?
No,
This is
just for a
autonomous,
second.
But there is a button that keeps you from launching.
Drink that.
Ooh, it is a
GLS
milestone. You can put this
pause
on
the
that.
countdown outside of terminal count and during terminal count and
Good all.
submit a hold to the next
Hold it
holding
up.
point. So the clock won't stop right away.
Okay.
If there's an issue, we'll go to the next stable holding point.
Who's that?
This is how GLS
Okay. Finish your
configures
water.
the rocket and ground systems to a stable point where they can
Alright, cool.
stop the countdown if
Finish
that's
your water
needed.
so we can
But
do
right
ice
now,
bath.
we are counting down. Our next big milestone, looking to retract the crew access arm.
A 6 on 35, Mom. Let's go.
Go for crew access arm retract. And there you see the crew access arm moving away.
The crew access arm is moving, Mom.
That's the path that the astronaut
Mm-hmm.
took to ingress into the rocket.
What? Yes, it's manned. It's a 10-day mission.
Way off the path.
They gotta circle Earth, circle the moon, and come back. And then the next month will...
The backup
Yes.
transitions to a launch abort system. And they'll begin arming that shortly.
Victor Glover's the pilot, so...
Of course, the launch abort system. Great shot there of the crew access arm retracting away. The launch abort system is the tower at the top, and that's what would pull Orion and its crew off the top of the rocket in case of an emergency, whether it's on the ground
There we
or in
go.
flight. This is critical safety hardware that protects the lives of the astronauts.
Where's Marquito?
Oh, man. Ugh.
Why did Bro post this? on
Starting
his
at
story?
T-minus 6 minutes, the GLS will start bringing that and other high-energy systems online, starting with core stage pressurization.
Recording now.
Coming up in just a few seconds, we're going to get that thrust vector control actuator test. This is a gimbaling of the engines. There are the 4 RS-25s, 3 of them Shuttle Heritage, 1 of them built from shuttle parts. And there you see
There it goes. They're moving. It'll be cool when the flame deflectors will go up, Mom.
Now we're going to
T
start
minus
moving the
14
power
seconds.
from both the upper stage and the lower stage of the rocket to internal, taking ground power away and now going to battery power. GLS is go for upper stage to internal power.
Yes, get up here.
Our
2
power is
minutes.
removed from the rocket's upper stage,
I'm gonna come get my fries.
the ICPS, and it's been switched to battery.
I thought
Same
they also
milestone
the 8
for the
up
lower
here,
core
Mom.
Stage coming up at T-minus 1 minute and 30 seconds. Right now, the 4-person Artemis 2 crew is 248,000 miles away from the moon. And if all goes well, they will fly by it in 6 days.
6 days.
Yeah.
TLS is go for core stage to internal power. All right, there's the rocket's core stage, which houses 3 flight computers. It's now
cheese.
on its own power.
Okay.
There's no more hold time because there's no more margin on these batteries. So we would have to reset
Good,
back to
just
T-minus 10 to
rip
recharge
them.
if we had a hold.
My mom eating McDonald's, so of course she's gonna make a mess.
1 minute.
Like
Right now, the
anti-bro.
rocket does not know what the T0 is, but coming up at T-minus 33 seconds, control shifts from the ground launch sequencer to the rocket's onboard autonomous launch sequencer, or ALS.
This is down
The
to right
rocket
now,
will count
Mom.
itself down, but on
That ties Bill, and it was packed.
Now, shortly after liftoff, Houston will take control of the rocket, and my colleague Gary Jordan will take over commentary.
It's gonna get loud.
GLS is go for ALS. Great call out. The rocket is on its own. 4 brave explorers ready to ride the most powerful rocket
4?
Yeah,
4 people?
yeah.
NASA has ever launched.
Yes, there's 4 people in there.
Sound suppression water is flowing.
15.
Dude, get up here.
There's
And here
And
we
don't
go.
block my sight.
10, 9, 8,
Max is
7,
today.
RS-25 engines. 4, 3, 2, 1. Booster ignition.
There we
And
go.
liftoff.
That's gone.
The crew of Artemis 2 now bound for the moon. Humanity's next great voyage begins.
Why is the camera flashing? That's just like your rocket right there, Hunter.
Barely.
Good roll pitch. Roger, roll pitch.
Wow.
Houston now controlling the flight of integrity on the Artemis 2 mission around the moon.
Integrity, AMT high. AMT high.
On time passing 30 seconds.
Let's pray it doesn't explode.
Integrity passes the
So let's pray it doesn't explode.
Not-
target milestone.
it's
Mission
not
Control Houston's
SpaceX.
good performance on the main engines. Space Launch System core stage. Integrity 3 miles in altitude. Traveling more than 1,200 miles per hour.
It's already 3 miles in the sky. It's probably the most powerful. That's awesome.
Mission elapsed time passing 1 minute. Approaching max Q.
On, possibly on.
Now this has to be an April Fool's joke, bro.
No.
Have you the same?
Communication signal transport confirmed as Integrity and its crew go supersonic. Approaching 90 seconds into the Artemis 2
What?
mission. Integrity is 14 miles in altitude, 8 miles downrange, traveling more than 2,600 miles per hour.
2,600 miles per hour is 4 times. That's Mach 4 almost.
Did it branch off the thing?
Not yet.
Now, yeah.
1 minute 50 seconds of mission elapsed time, standing by for main engine throttle down to 85%, ahead of solid rocket booster separation, expected at the 2 minute 9 second mark.
Oh, that's when it separates.
Yes.
We see throttle down.
Look at all these people. Holy Mac.
Converged
It's a
separation.
Mercedes.
Main engine's
There
throttle
it
and
goes.
guidance converged.
Integrity, guidance converged, performance nominal, upper stage RCS ready. Copy all, Stan. Integrity, SM priming complete. SM priming complete.
2 minutes 45 seconds of mission elapsed time into the Artemis 2 mission. Thrusters on Integrity and upper stage confirmed in a ready state, ahead of service module fairing separation. 3 minutes into the flight. Integrity 49 miles in altitude, 78 miles downrange, now passing 5,000 miles per hour.
Oh my gosh. It's leaving what? The Earth's atmosphere?
Yep.
It's going fast.
There we go fast.
Standing by for launch board system jettison.
Houston Integrity, good last jettison, great view. Copy jettison, Team Eco 8 plus 02.
You can see all the smoke. Holy Mac.
We see you sail on board,
That
Stan.
looks like where we watched the launch from.
And Houston has you loud and clear on Tigris at the common line. Outstanding, Stan. Do the same.
Oh my gosh.
3 minutes 50 seconds into the flight of
I mean,
Artemis
it looks
2,
like a
Wiseman,
star now.
Glover, Cook, and Hansen crossed the boundary to space with good comm checks. GPS signals acquired after last jettison now working on internal checks to verify accuracy. Flight Dynamics Officer analyzed the time of main engine cutoff, confirmed at 8 minutes 2 seconds, time of MECO.
That is going far.
You'll get up to like 17,000 miles per hour.